Guys, welcome back to this Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with CoinSwitch Airdrop. So let us go to www.thisairdrops.com and click on CoinSwitch Airdrop. So CoinSwitch Airdrop is 500 KP to each airdrop participant. To participate, sign up, log into your account to receive 500 KP, which you can convert into Tron or other. You can also invite your friends and earn additional KP points, which can be redeemed till 1st June 2020 for the exciting crypto rewards. Alright, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4 very simple steps, guys, for CoinSwitch Airdrop. Before going into the airdrop registration, let's have a brief look on the CoinSwitch exchange airdrop, right? So you are excited, no? How I know? Because I have done a very big research on this CoinSwitch, right? Well, CoinSwitch is a cryptocurrency exchange providing the best way to invest into the cryptocurrencies by aggregating all leading exchanges and comparing cryptocurrency prices in the real time. They support over 300 plus cryptocurrencies, digital currency, altcoin, crypto coin with more than 45,000 pairs for exchange. They built on the most trusted exchanges in the world. It provides a seamless experience to trade and convert cryptocurrency, digital currency, altcoin and crypto coins by integrating with reliable and secure exchanges in the cryptocurrency market, and also helping the customers to get the best rates while ensuring their security. So this makes investing in cryptocurrency very simple for the users, guys. So CoinSwitch have over 45,000 plus crypto coin exchange pairs available, which is the above I have already mentioned. If you want to know more about the CoinSwitch exchange, just click here to go to the CoinSwitch and you'll be finding about the airdrop also. Alright, so steps for the registration. Let's start with step number 1. Visit the CoinSwitch airdrop. Click here to visit the CoinSwitch airdrop, guys. Okay, I already have registered, so I'm not able to show you the process, but whereas it is very simple, you have to give your full name and then your email address as well as password. As always, you register, you sign up, click on I have read and click I agree, and then click on the sign up button. Preferably every sign up will be the similar, guys, so you also do the same thing. And the moment you register, sign up in the CoinSwitch exchange, what you'll get, you have to go to your email address and verify. Once you verify, this is step number 2. Sign up with the email address, phone number and verify. Yes, I have done. That's the reason I got into the dashboard, guys. You can see here very clearly. And step number 3, log into your account. So this is my account of CoinSwitch. And then step number 4, you can also invite your friends and earn additional KP points, which can be redeemed till 1st of June 2020 for the exciting crypto rewards. Alright, so here is where you find your referral address, referral ID, guys. So this is my referral link, and for the first sign up, you will be receiving 500 KP tokens, and then first referral could be the 750 KP, second referral is 1000 KP, as well as the third is 1000 KP, and till fourth it's a 1000 KP, and so on. You can even claim the rewards also once the airdrop program is over. This is how you are going to be rewarded with your referrals. So let's claim your rewards. So do the registration process and get all the tokens for you. Alright, well, that's all, guys, about the registration procedure for CoinSwitch airdrop. If you like the CoinSwitch airdrop, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, latest, legit and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox, which is free of cost. Alright, have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.